very thankful and grateful to you, Guruji. Thankful to my mother, Mata Bhagwati Parvati, and grateful to all Titikul Devi Devta Navagraha and to all the Sangat here. If I have committed any sins or any kind of mistakes in any of my previous births towards all of you people or your ancestors, I ask for pardon and I ask for forgiveness. Jai Guruji. I started with Guruji. First of all, let me tell you, this adjacent building, I started with this adjacent building with Guruji. I didn't knew the time now coming here in this building. When I joined Guruji, I was living in this adjacent building. And then I left, shifted from here, I went to Ajman. I am extremely Bhagyashali. My name is Dilip Bhagyashali. So, when I joined Guruji, I was having a lot of sickness in my body. Since childhood, means I never saw one day also happiness. Every day doctors, like a toothbrush, Colgate toothbrush. It was in India, 7 years I was in hospital. When I came here for my bread and butter, then also daily it was Colgate. I used to go to Kuwaiti hospital, Al Maktoum hospital. In those days it was free. So, I am here since last 40 years. And life was going on, but I was always inclined to do lot of Havan Yajnas every time, more Havan Yajnas. I used to get peaceful Shanti with doing lot of Havan Yajnas. That is why many Panditjis, they know me during, who are there in the mandirs outside. But I was never happy. One day my younger brother told me that there is I met one auntie and she has shown me a picture of Guruji. If somebody goes to him, has his prasad, he will be cured, blessed. Now I thought, Marta kya nahi karta? I thought, let me try this one also. Because already tried lots of people, lots of Hanumanji ko I used to go and put 24 bottles oil. Because I thought कि इसको ज़्यादा oil लगा तो मैं ठीक हो जाऊँगा. I was just stupid. So I used to go and put 24 bottles of oil every Saturday, thinking that मुझे तो ठीक होना है, ज़्यादा तेल लगाओ, चलो. So, but never was cured, never. But when I'm so lucky that my brother showed me the picture of Guruji, I felt love at first sight from seeing that picture only. But my brother didn't tell me to go to satsang. He didn't tell me about too much good about Guruji. But he never told me that auntie who gave him the reference of Guruji name. But I was feeling shy. How can I ask him? I am his elder brother. Give me this lady's number. He will say why he's after her, why he wants this number. Like that was on my mind. So I thought, let me not ask him that give me this lady's number. So I went on Google and I searched Guruji Satsang in Dubai. And I got 2 numbers from there. And one was Khushbu auntie, who's staying very, very close by here. Very close by. She came and she picked me up and she took me to the first satsang at Poonam auntie's residence in Marina. First day I ate that Langar Prasad, and from the very first day, my 52 years of all the sickness went up. With several years I could not get cured. That all went on. So then I shifted from here. But see, for me, when Guruji ka mera love, it was like this. Like suppose a newborn is born today. Okay, exactly. And mother has not even seen the face. Still it is in the nurse's arm. So my love with Guruji was of that level. So it was going on well. I was sitting in the Ajman and we had a very big satsang where 80 people came at one time. All the 80 people. I don't know if among you all who are here or they know or no. But the satsang, several Mata ki chokis, everything was going on. But some 2 Sardarjis came to my house, and they did something bad, black magic upon me. I don't know what they did. I removed all my money, removed my gold, everything and give it to them. From that day onwards, my house fire started, Shivji's murti became like this oblong cut. A lot of accidents I had. And I was always taking Guruji with me in the car. So I used to name Guruji a Gadi wala Guruji, because I used to have always a Guruji in my car. Wherever I am going outside in any restaurant, so I used to take Guruji with me in the restaurant, keep in one seat, and I used to say, Guruji khao. Then people used to see how to make me feel, full. But I used to take like this and do it in all restaurants. And whatever I used to give to Guruji, those nivalas I used to go and give it to poor people. And which I used to say, Guruji, ye aapka hai aur mera hai. So that I used to eat. And every day morning also the same thing, clean the house, first, do lots of distribution of prasad, and then I used to eat. Everything was going well. I don't know what these Sardarjis did, that I had a very big fire in my house. Such a big, because I am sitting with Guruji, and I don't know that there is a fire in my house. And that also because of my stupidity. Because I had 24 hours Shamai burning for Guruji. Because I like burning ghee for Guruji 24 hours. So that Amul ghee dabba, I kept it on the gas for melting it during the winter season, and I forgot. And I'm sitting with Guruji. That's all. Nothing else. घर को पूरा आग लग गया. Too full आग, and to a new tower building. I thought पानी थोड़ा मसाफी डालूंगा तो ठीक हो जाएगा. मसाफी डाला तो और ज़्यादा हो गया. I got scared. I was on the 17th floor, and then police, ambulance, too many people came, too many sergeants, and it was Dhanteras. They asked me how it happened. I spoke lies. I don't know how it came into my mouth. I told maybe short circuit. They just embraced me, kissed me, and they didn't even ask me my Emirates ID or nothing. They didn't even stand for 1 minute also. They just kissed me, embraced me, and they left them. So the whole house was burnt and everything. But Guruji का जहाँ स्वरूप था, गुरुजी का जहाँ था, वहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं हुआ और गैस सिलेंडर को कुछ नहीं हुआ, बाकी पूरा घर टमाटर हो गया. So that was there. A lot of car accidents I had. Lot of car accidents. After that, मेरा लव गुरुजी के ऐसा था कि I used to never go on work. मेरे को पता नहीं क्या हो गया था कि गुरुजी के साथ इतने बड़ा था. मेरे को इतना बड़ा बिजनेस एम्पायर था मेरा, बहुत बड़ा एम्पायर अबू धाबी में विद शेख ज़ैद अल नयान के फैमिली के साथ. पर मैं ऑफिस में जाता ही नहीं. मुझे पता नहीं क्या होगा था. मैं गुरुजी के साथ बैठा रहता, गुरुजी को निहारता रहता, गुरुजी से बातें करता रहता. कभी मैं तो सब आंटियां बोलती, अंकल अब क्या कर. मैं रोज 3 to 4 सत्संग जाता. मेरे पास गाड़ी थी. मैं 3 to 4 सत्संग डेली, चाहे वो अबू धाबी में हो, फ्रॉम अमृत वेला अंटिल नाइट, एवरी डे 3 to 4 सत्संग फॉर 3 years कंटिन्यूअसली. क्योंकि मुझे इच्छा ही नहीं थी काम पे जाने की. पैसे भी बहुत थे तो इच्छा ही नहीं थी काम पे जाने की. गुरुजी के साथ बैठो. मुझे पता ही नहीं क्या हो जाता था. मैं गुरुजी के साथ बैठ जाता था. मैं घंटों ऐसे ही गुरुजी के निहारता बैठता, गुरुजी के साथ बैठ जाता. बहुत. मेरी वीजा कब खत्म हो गई, मेरा ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस कब खत्म हो गया, मेरा सब कभी खत्म हो गया, मुझे पता ही नहीं. मैं गुरुजी के साथ रोज बैठता हूँ, बस गुरुजी के साथ बैठता हूँ, आनंद. एक टाइम ऐसा आया, सब खत्म हो गया, कुछ नहीं था. तो एक आरती आंटी है, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट मैरिड, आई एम ब्रह्मचारी. सो एक आरती आंटी थी, अभी नहीं है यहाँ पे. शी इज ओल्ड संगत ऑफ गुरुजी. उसने गुरुजी के साथ वो मिली हुई है. तो शी वॉज स्टेइंग इन जोबेरा. उसने मुझे बोला, अंकल आपको गुरुजी बड़े मंदिर में रखना चाहते हैं अपने साथ. ओके, देन आई वेंट बिकॉज बड़े मंदिर इज नॉट अलाउड टू लिव, nobody can live there. So I went and lived with Guruji in Bade Mandir for 2.5 years. Okay, from there the journey started. There I didn't come to know, because I was getting a lot of noises in the sky. From the sky I was getting a lot of noises, and if somebody else will see, he'll get scared, but I was never scared. I was getting a lot of noises from, I can see in the sky, lot of Yamduts, and I can see lot of other things around. I don't know why I can only see and nobody else can see in Bade Mandir. Everybody had COVID in Bade Mandir. Each and every one had a COVID. For 4 times they had that injection. But I didn't have one time also, and I was only with the COVID people. I didn't have one time also COVID. But I don't know why I could see. I couldn't understand those things in those days. What is going on with me? Why I can see one more world in this world? I can see one more world in this world. So why is exactly only I can see? Once I went to one satsang here in Kanika Aunty satsang. She's also not here now. She's left this country. She's now gone to Delhi. And Guruji's satsang started. Guruji gayab. Satsang was over. I didn't tell her anything because she will. After Guru satsang was over, Guruji came again. But then I thought if I tell her, she will get scared. She will tell me, uncle को मैं सत्संग पे बुलाती हूँ और ये मुझे डराता है. So I used to never tell her anything. I kept in my mind. Just 1 year ago I told her about this thing. So and I don't know. It was something. I don't know what are these. What are these things? Why are they there? And lot of means I don't know what was the connection with my Guruji with love and all. I don't understand. You got me. I don't know what those actually what I feel now. Those Sardars, those two Sardars came to me. When they came to me, I thought Guru aaye, very Guru aaye. So I called them in my house, made them sat in nice sofa and respected them कि मेरे गुरु आए and I joined new to Guruji. तो मैंने सोचा गुरु आए मेरे घर में, I should serve them. तो मैंने उनको सर्व किया, उसकी आंखों में देखा, मैंने सारे पैसे निकाल के दे दिए, मैंने सारा क्या बोलते हैं सोना निकाल के दे दिया, नीचे बैंक में ले गया. I gave them money from the bank. And from that day on this problem started. I don't know what started with me. I think Guruji knew that this problem is very severe with Dilip. Somebody has done. So Guruji took me under his protection. Because Guruji knew that this problem is very severe, which nobody can help Guruji. So Guruji, that is why he wanted me to have his sharan, and he saved me several times. Believe me, now only I can tell you in this month that I have been able to sustain the pressure of the other world. Otherwise, the other world which I can see, they are troubling me too much. Too much they are troubling me. And I don't know why I can see only. Because I thought I am normal person. I have done lot and I have attended 3 satsangs every day for 3 years. Everybody knows that. And I don't believe in this word seva. Whatever I could do, I have done it. I don't believe in this word seva. In Bade Mandir also and outside also. But this other world which I can see only, this world is troubling me too much. I want all of you to pray for me, okay, so that whoever this world is should not trouble me, whoever is this. Because I don't want to take the pressure of this other world. This other world is too much pressure. I don't want to take. I don't want to be any Sant Mahatma Baba. I don't want 18 Siddhi and no Nidhi. You got me. I don't want anything. I'm an off-the man. Because I don't know from why they are catching me. And I can see them. They hold me. No, you can't go. I don't know why I can't go. I don't want to be with you all. I don't want to. I'm not part of you all. I'm not a part of you all. So don't think me that I'm going to do anything. No. They catch me hold of me. I don't know for what they catch hold of me. Do you understand? You will not believe me. मैं खुद खाना नहीं खाता था. कितने मैं भूल. बड़े मंदिर में भी ऐसे ही होता था. जब तक मुझे कोई प्रसाद नहीं देता, मैं खाता नहीं. कभी नहीं खाता. कितनी बार मंडे को वहां पे समोसा तो ऐसी भगदड़ लगती है समोसों की और ये लड्डुओं की. कितने बार मुझे ना समोसा मिला ना लड्डू मिला. मैं समझता था कि गुरु की आज इच्छा नहीं है मुझे प्रसाद देने. I never ate rice in Bade Mandir. During COVID, they used to make rice. I used to never eat. Because what I know, Guruji told not to eat rice. So I used to never eat rice. I was very strict, staunch follower of Guruji. उसने जो सब दिए, मैं टस से मस नहीं होता. टस से मस. I am thankful and grateful to the Gaurav uncle of Bade Mandir management and everybody of the staff that I lived there. But I want all of you to please pray for me that whoever this other world is in this other world, which you people, even the big sant Big Mahapurush also can't see this, what I can see. I know that nobody can see this. Nobody can see this, what I can see. And I don't like to see, I don't want to see these things. But I'm not interested in that. It is not my subject, and I don't want to be that side, inclined to take that subject also. So I want you all to pray for me, to Guruji, to take out this thing from, this trouble from my body. Okay? Jai Guruji. Okay? And to also please request Guruji that I should get a job quickly. Okay? Please. I am very grateful to you. Because since 2015 I have joined, I am with Guruji. I ask pardon, I ask forgiveness from all of you. From you and from your ancestors, if I have done any mistakes towards you people, in any of my previous births or to your ancestors, I ask for pardon, I ask for forgiveness. Jai Guruji.